I'm putting my best foot forward. I got a notice from TikTok today. So you know that TikTok is really, AI. So there's no person talking to you. And I understand that we did 250,000 people last week, just listeners. That the program had 250,000 listeners, and we had 7.1. Listen to this: 7.1 million likes. 7.1 million likes to Politics Plus last week alone. All right, and that we have hit 1 million views for the month. 1 million. But they're telling us that whenever we come on, there are lots of reports
Right.
of the live, that lots of people are reporting for whatever reason. I don't know. Anyway, I have made an appeal, and lodging more appeal to say to them, look into this matter, because we are not violating anything. Now, earlier today, I got some advice that we probably are playing some copyright music, so I have to probably discontinue some of the music that I play, and maybe some of the voices, like when I produce and play voices that we probably have some of that are copyrighted, and we may need to let go of that. The solution, though, is that we are going to have to take a different approach. We're going to have to use multiple platforms, and I'm working with someone to see how best we can purchase a piece of software so that we can stream on all the platforms simultaneously. That is going to happen maybe before the end of this year. I know, for example, that we do have some new ideas for the program going forward, but because of what we have happening now, so we are at 40% of our viewership tonight. 40%. So at 150, we are only at 40%, because we have not been pushed out. I see Chops want to join us. Maybe we could take him up for a while.
Well, he's saying that he will be willing to help us if we so desire. Of course, we welcome all the help we can.
Can you add it?
But neighbor, before you go on, I just want to say, I'm very humbled with the numbers that you spoke about just now.
Oh, yes.
And I would like to.
I can send it to you. So you can put it on the screen so that the viewers our listeners know that we are actually, I'm reporting the weekly report. Yeah.
Right, but I just want to take this opportunity to thank our listeners, our loyal listeners, our loyal supporters for standing by us and sticking with us through, the bad times and the good times. And, just to let them know how much we appreciate them.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And I must say to you, Caroline, that we have, you told me earlier that the Jamaica Labour Party is a good brand. And my views here, if they support the Labour Party, are the truth. I'm not here telling any lies.
That's what makes it easy, neighbor, because we're not speaking. We don't have to fabricate stories. We don't have to cover up anything. All we have to do is speak the truth. So, what better way?
Yeah, I lost Chops. All right, send back the request, Chops, and let's talk about this. Yeah, so that's what we have now. We are below. They told me that they will lift the the restrictions tomorrow. So by the time we come on tomorrow, we may be off the restriction. But as I said, it is the algorithm AI that runs this. So they're asking us to look into the music we are playing, the voice clips that we play. Those are some of the things that may be causing a little challenge. In addition to the number of reports that they have gotten suggesting that the program is to be taken down from the app. That is what has been happening to the program, that they are getting a lot of complaints that the program is not good. It's not a good program in Jamaica, and we are to be taken off the air. But so it is.
Well, neighbor, I can't spend a lot of time with you, but there's something I need to say that, I'm very grateful, or I should say we are very grateful that despite the challenges, you are, sticking it out. And, just remember, neighbor, that, setbacks are set up for greater comebacks. Huh?
Well, lovely. Thank you for that. Okay.
And it's very important that everyone understands that, we are a team, and we stand by each other. We stand by each other. And if you touch one, you touch all.
Well, wonderful. Well, I think the listeners should know that the gifting for this program has been suspended also. So they can't send any gift. So persons who want to make contributions will have to do so through the Zelle account. Which probably is a better option. I think that is important also to understand that the program needs financial support, but we are not allowed to accept any gift tonight on this platform. So we can't get any roses, and the gift that we got, they took it away. They took it away. Anyway, so I hope that Moderator Harry. Moderator Harry.
Moderator Harry.
Yeah, Moderator Harry.
Moderator neighbor, not moderator.
Give us a few minutes, Paul. Let's don't pick you up. Give us a few minutes.
Moderator.
Yeah, you could.
Well, before you go to Harry, neighbor, let me just say this. I will be listening, but I won't be able to participate much, okay?
Absolutely, mommy. And I say mommy. and I thank you. We miss you a lot, and we're anxious for you to come back next year, eh?
Well, neighbor, there's no need to miss me. I'm always here.
Okay. Well, I tell you, lovely. Great. Have a great night, and you're going to be in the background somewhere there.
Of course. Good evening, Scratchy and Harry. Yes, I'll be hanging out listening, but
blessed evening to you, Caroline.
I'm here. Scratchy, just know we stand with you, okay?
I know that, Caroline. I don't have to question your loyalty.
All righty.
Okay, we're coming to you. We're coming to you. Harry, please post that Zelle account. The listeners cannot. Yeah. So listeners, please Zelle us your contributions tonight, because you can't send anything to us. Okay, please. Coming to you. That's not it. That's not it. Coming to your listeners. All right, here is it. Great.